Now, the second layer out of the 3 layers of paramount cyber security field is what we call the detective layer. So in this video, I'm going to talk about only detective layer. The next video, I'll talk about what? The response layer. Now, the major focus of the detective layer is how do we know if we have been hacked? How do we know that our application or system has been hacked? Then how do we identify or know if the preventive layers has been breached or bypassed? So that's the major goal of these engineers. So that's what is ringing in their head. So they are deep thinker. They are thinking in such a way that okay, all the security admin, the configuration that the preventive engineers have actually set up. What if hackers are very smart? They bypass those security and then enter our system. How can we actually detect them in order to curb them or prevent them, in order to prevent lateral movement and to reduce blast radius? So how do we do that? So that is the major focus of detective layers engineers. So the detective layer engineers mostly do all of this work. They are the ones that will set up SIM tools such as Sentinel, Splunk, Wazoo to detect any kind of privilege escalation in the system. They will also be the one to set up EDR and SDR to detect an attack at the end. So be the one to set up intrusion detection system, IDS, and intrusion prevention system. They will also be the one to set up this to monitor and detect an attack that has entered the system. They also do what we call log network analysis. They analyze the network. They analyze what network that is live. They analyze it to see if they can detect any malicious behavior or anomalous behavior within that system. They also write detection rules such as KQL query and Sigma that will automatically detect or fire whenever a suspicious activities happen within the system. So they write code that will actually act like a software that will be monitoring for any suspicious activities. So that's what detection means. Then they are also the one that will build honeypots to cache hackers and to also monitor or to know how hackers behave in the world. So they are the one that build all the security system. They are the one that set it in place. So they are called detective layers